Hello my viewers, welcome back. This is your teacher Pascal of Mr. Distinctions. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you very much for those who have been subscribing to my channel. And thank you very much for those who have been pushing me to predict for Science Paper 1, which we are writing in November 2024. Actually, this is a prediction for your paper, which will be writing very soon. For that reason, I urge you to take note of all the topics which I'm going to mention, because I know and believe that they are there in your 2024 Science Paper 1 Final Examination Question Paper. Alright, so that is that. And before I can even start predicting, or before I can even start showing you some key topics which I want you to go through or to revise, I want to let you know also about our program. I've come up with a special program, knowing that we have remained with few days, which are just less than 50 days. I have come up with a special program for you. And this program, I'm showing your fellow pupils. Actually, others have joined and you have already started the program. So I urge you to join my program if you like it. So our program is all about showing you how you can revise quickly, because I know and believe that you know that you have remained with few days, and you need to know how you can revise quickly in these remaining days. So I have come up with a special program where I'm teaching your fellow pupils how to revise quickly in these remaining days. Besides that, I'm also showing them some of the important materials. In fact, when I show you how to revise, or when I teach you how to revise chemistry quickly, I also need to send you a material for chemistry which you can use for you to revise quickly. And those materials I'm sharing are the ones which helped me very much to get distinctions in all the subjects. So I would like you to join our program, because you've remained with few days. So if you want to join the program, all you need to do is just to pay 35 kwacha. Then you send me a screenshot of your payment so that I can know that for sure you have paid. So you can just send a 35 kwacha using my Airtel line, which is 0976 97 58 98. So this is the number you can use, or you can use my MTN number, which is 0966 2211 05. Sorry, 05. Okay, so you can use one of these numbers. But if you want to text me on WhatsApp when sending your screenshot of your payments, please use this one. Because this is the one I must use for this purpose. So please use this one. I will encourage you to join our program, because I know and believe that it will help you very much to pass your final examination. You need to know how to revise quickly. You need to know which materials you need to use for you to revise quickly, because we do not use materials anyhow. We need to choose materials. We need to choose which material can use, because you have remained with few days, and if you do not know which materials you can use, you can of course be revising, but your revision cannot be that much effective. So by joining our program, you have all the materials which you need to have for you to revise quickly and effectively, and for you to come and obtain good result like my results. You can actually check on my channel. You will see my result, and for sure I think that will encourage you to join our program. Okay, so these are some of the topics which I've come up with, which I want you to revise, because I know and believe that these topics which I'm going to be sharing with you, which I'm going to be showing you, they are there in 2024 final examination. And for that reason, I do not want you to come and regret. So please, all the topics I'm going to show you, please revise them thoroughly. Revise them thoroughly. They will help you very much. Okay, so let me start showing you the topics I want you to revise, or the key topics which you need to revise if you want to pass your science paper 1 we should be writing in November. Of course, these are not the only topics, but please make sure that as you are revising, you do not forget these topics. Of course, you can be revising other topics, but please do not forget these topics I'm going to share with you, because I know and believe that they are there in your 2024 final examination. Okay, so now what are these key topics, or which are these key topics? So I'm going to start sharing one by one, so that you can be taking note of them. Please, if you have someone to write, just get that particular paper and also that pen, so that you can start taking note of all the topics I'm going to share with you. Alright, so the first topic I want you to revise is electricity. I want you to revise this topic carefully. And specifically, please take note of these subtopics. Revise electric circuit, and under this one, I want you to revise the types of circuits. The types of circuits. Revise and understand them, and master the diagrams. How each type of circuit relates to the diagram, to its diagram. So please revise and know the calculations involved in what? In these types of circuits. And also, I want you to revise the this subtopic, which is called static electricity. This is where we learn about the movement of electrons, whereby you have been given maybe a wool, then you have rubbed a pen to that wool, then things like that. Please revise this topic, I mean this subtopic. And also, besides that, there is a question which actually comes. If you check in almost every physics paper, this topic, I mean this question is there. In this and that question, so to say, that question is based on cost of electricity. You'll be told that maybe one unit was being sold on this amount of money. Please calculate the amount of money which was needed to buy these units. So I hope you have seen questions like that. Please revise this subtopic, cost of electricity. I hope you are getting me. If I can remember very well, that question, which is based on this subtopic, carries about 5 marks, so to say 4 to 5 marks. So I hope you can see how important it is to revise this subtopic. So please revise these 3 subtopics. The topic I'm talking about is electricity, but under electricity, please concentrate on these subtopics. Concentrate on these subtopics. Revise the types of circuits, revise static electricity, and also the cost of what? Of electricity. Besides that, there is an important topic I want you also to revise, and that topic is no other than introductory electronics. So specifically, what I want you to revise is the structure of the CRO, the structure of the cathode ray oscilloscope. Please master the parts and the functions of that diagram. Master that structure and the parts, and also what? The functions. That diagram may be there in your final examination, in your science paper 1 final examination. So please revise that subtopic, which is cathode ray oscilloscope, CRO. Master the parts and the functions of that particular instrument. I hope you are getting me, and I hope you are taking note of all the topics I'm sharing with you. Please do not overlook these topics. Do not overlook these topics. These topics are there in 2024 final examination. Of course, maybe they cannot be there, but according to my predictions, they are there. So please make sure you revise them. Okay, what is the other topic I want you to revise? I want you also to revise this topic, general physics. I hope and believe that this is the first topic. If it is not the first topic, then it is the second topic, where we talk about work, energy, power, mass, weight, volume, density. Please master the formulae which are involved in the calculation of these things. Master the formulae which are involved in the calculation of these things. As you know, these questions are not, actually these questions are always there in physics. Maybe you'll be asked to calculate power, maybe you'll be asked to calculate energy, and as far as I know, the questions which are based on these subtopics are related to each other. So you need to master them as they are. You need to master them as they are. So please revise these subtopics. And also, don't forget to revise speed, velocity, acceleration, including the speed time graph, velocity time graph. Please start those topics. I mean these subtopics, and know how to interpret, the velocity time graph. I hope you're getting me. And besides that, I want you also to revise this subtopic which is called simple machines. Simple machines. Revise those structures and revise the formulae which are involved in calculating different types of simple machines. I hope you are getting me. Alright, so besides this topic, I want you also to revise this important topic. I want you to revise the properties of waves. And under this topic, I want you to understand this subtopic, light, by understanding the reflection of light and also the refraction of light. And know the laws which are involved in these subtopics. And also know the differences between these two subtopics, between reflection and refraction. I hope you're getting the points. So please master these. And also, on the same topic, which is the properties of waves, I want you also to understand the diagrams of lenses. Know the types of lenses and understand the terms which are there. I hope and believe that you know the types of the lenses, the two types of lenses, and the names. I mean the what can I say? The terms which are there when you are drawing the end-length diagram. I hope and believe that you know the terms which are there. If you do not know, please go through that. And I want you also to revise this subtopic which is called sound. And under this subtopic, I want you to revise some experiments, such as the experiment to determine the speed of sound. Please revise that experiment. It may be there in your science paper 1, which will be right in November. It may be there, it may be in section B or in section C. So the best way is just to revise it. Revise the experiments which are there. Not only this experiment, but all the experiments which are there. All the topics I'm giving you, please, if there are some experiments, revise the experiments, because it has been long since they brought the experiments in science paper 1. So I'm suspecting that maybe they can bring 1 or 2 experiments in your paper. So please revise some experiments which are very important, such as how to determine the speed of sound, and also other experiments which are very important in physics. Okay, so now besides this topic, which is the properties of waves, and under this one, I want you to revise the general properties of waves, the types of waves, and also the general properties of waves, so to say, in the electromagnetic spectrum. Please revise the electromagnetic spectrum, where we have gamma ray, X-ray, and so on and so forth. Please, and know the diagrams, the differences between the diagrams of transverse waves and the diagrams of longitudinal waves. Please master those differences. I hope you are getting me clearly. Okay, so besides this topic, I want you also to revise this subtopic. I mean this topic, which is very important. So I want you also to revise atomic physics. Whether you like it or not, this topic, I can even assure you that it is there in your 2024 Science Paper 1 Final Examination Question Paper. So please, under this one, I want you to understand the nuclear atom. And what do I mean? You need to understand the mass number, proton number, neutron number, and electron number. And I hope and believe that by this time you know that. But if you don't know, then please don't even worry. Don't even get worried. Just revise. And as I said earlier on, join our program. Join our program. I'm sure our program will help you very much to get good results. It's just a matter of paying a 35 kwacha. And 35 kwacha is a small amount of money as compared to your success. So please join our program. Just contact me. Just make a payment. Then send me the screenshot of your payment. Then I'll be able to know that you have paid, and I'll send you the timetable and also the link so that you can join the program. Actually, it's a 1 week program. It's a 1 week program. That's why I'm saying that you just need to pay a 35 kwacha. It's a 1 week program, but within that same 1 week, you'll be able to benefit a lot, and that 1 week will change your results. So kindly join our program. So I was saying that under atomic physics, please revise nuclear atom by understanding the mass number, know the definitions, proton number, neutron number, and electron number. And also, besides that, I want you to understand nuclear fission and nuclear fusion and the differences between these two reactions. Please try to find out some notes on these two reactions. Probably if you join our program, I'll be able to send you some materials for physics which will help you very much to understand this. So that is that. Besides that, please, whether you like it or not, you need to understand radioactivity. This topic or this subtopic is there in your 2024 Science Paper 1 Final Examination. And on this one, I'm very much sure that it is there. So under this subtopic, which is radioactivity, I want you to understand or to revise the decay equations. Be able to write decay equations. If they say a certain atom undergone radioactivity, then that particular atom emits an alpha particle or a beta particle or a gamma particle. I mean a gamma ray. What does it mean? What do they mean by saying that? What is an alpha particle? What is a beta particle? What is gamma rays? So please understand those key points. I hope you're getting me. So that is what I want you to revise on this topic. Please revise this topic thoroughly without fear, because it is there in your paper. Okay, so the other topic I want you to revise, I want you to revise magnetism. Magnetism. Please revise this topic. And under this topic, I want you to understand the diagrams which are there, and also the laws of magnetism. Please, you need to revise that. You need to know if this is a North Pole and this is a North Pole, how the arrows come out. Do they move out, or do they do what? Do they go in? I'm sure you are able to see what I'm writing. So these are some of the principles. These are some of the important principles you need to know and understand. and also some important points such as to identify this part which is in between there. And I hope and believe that you know that is a neutral point. So please revise that topic. Revise. Actually, I'm not teaching, but I'm trying to give you a picture of what you need to revise. So please revise this topic, magnetism, and the laws which are there. You need to be able to know that like poles do what? Repel well, and like poles do what? Attract. I hope you're getting me. So please revise this topic. And the other topic I want you to revise, and on this one, I'm quite sure that these two subtopics are there in your paper. So please make sure you revise these topics. I mean, you revise these subtopics. So I want you to revise this topic, which is called electromagnetic effect. And under this topic, I want you to revise. I want you to master the diagram of a transformer and the functions of a transformer. Please know the types of transformers by saying we have a what? A step up transformer and a step down transformer, and know how to draw the diagrams of those two types of what? Transformers. And please know how to calculate what? Different things which are involved in transformers, such as how to calculate the number of coils, the number of turns of coils, and how to calculate the current, and how to calculate different things on this same subtopic. So please make sure you revise. And what I'm emphasizing on is that please master the diagram and the parts which are there. Besides that, I want you to revise this subtopic. I want you to revise this subtopic, which is generator. Also, I am encouraging you to master the diagram. To master the diagram by knowing the parts and the functions of the generator. Please revise these two subtopics. Revise these two subtopics. Revise, please. Revise thoroughly. I hope and believe that this video will help you very much. You wonder when you find these questions which are taken from these same topics. You wonder. So please, I do not want you to regret. That's why I'm encouraging you to do what? To revise. Alright, all I can say is just to wish you all the best. I hope and believe that you will do it. You will do it. All the best. Please don't forget to join our program. Just send me a text on this number. Make sure you make payment so that as you are texting me, you also send me the screenshot of your payments. I'll be able to add you in my group, and also I'll be able to share with you our timetable. And actually, we are beginning our program this same day. But remember, I said that it's a 1 week program. Due to that, we have sessions. So please make sure you pay as quickly as possible so that you can know and understand how you can revise quickly, which materials can you be using, so that you can pass your final examination. All the best, and I wish you to have good results. Thank you.